Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Majestic Perfume order. Okay, so first of all, before cancellation you need to read their terms and condition. They are only going to accept your order cancellation request if your order is placed within 12 hours of purchase. Okay, if your request is submitted between 12 hours, or you can in between 12 hours after purchase. Okay, if the time period is exit, then you are not able to cancel your order. Okay, so what you have to do, you need to compose an email. Okay, so email format you can see on your screen, or you can take help from ChatGPT. In the email you need to provide your order number, your email, your name and your email ID, and each and everything related to your order by which they can verify your order. Okay, and you need to provide a valid reason why you want to cancel your order. Okay, and there is a subject like request to cancel purchase order also. This is the main thing. Okay, so once your email is done, you need to copy this email, and once you visit on there this returns and refund policy page, I will provide you this link in our video description box. When you scroll down at very bottom side, there is a contact form. In the contact form you need to provide your name, your email, your phone number, message. In the message you need to copy this message and you need to paste this message in this box. Okay, and you need to click on submit button. Okay, send button. Okay, and once they receive your email, and they will contact you. If possible, they will cancel your, you can say Majestic Perfume subs order. Okay, and you can also send the same email at their email address info@majesticperfume.com. Okay, and this is the method by which you can cancel your order. And now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.